We were working in a clinic where we went in, we engaged all the people, trained all the people, brought them together, did a high-level map, understood what their process was so we can start the Gemba walk or the process walk. We deep dive into the process, we walked with them, we engaged them, we engaged their leaders, we listened to them, we looked at all the details that goes into the process of taking care of the patient and coming out with one current state which had all the process steps, all the inefficiencies, and we found out there were redundant steps. Same file was touched 5 times. The patients and the technicians were walking back and forth. Even on work of the technician, there were so many redundant steps in there which was waste. Their equipment was not working. We got them together. The wait time of the patient was reduced from 1.5 hours to half an hour. Just a small example. Talking about a collision shop, same approach. We go in, we engage the people, we understand what the purpose is, we train them, we map the process at high level, we understand what the big level pains are, and then we walk the Gemba or the process with them, and we found out when the car was coming in, they was not taking it properly. They were not writing down all the parts that are needed to complete the repairs. And after the fact, they were all running around missing parts or ordering the parts, which is too late in the process. Or a body guy doesn't finish his job right and it goes to the prepping station. Prepping station is spending half an hour reworking what could have been done in the previous station. We improved their communication. They started meeting every day, talking about the numbers, the quality, and soon they started to improve and their time reduced from 10 days to 7 days from start to the finish.